With a new R9800, Liebherr has developed the biggest backhoe excavator in the world. The all-new 800-ton R9800 offers a high loading capacity. It is the perfect loading tool for ultra-class trucks from upwards of 240 tons, including the Liebherr T282C 360-ton class mining truck.
Liebherr made the 1900 because there is a demand on the market today for this size excavators. Obviously the mines are getting bigger, trucks are getting bigger, everything is getting bigger, and we want more production today. So the answer for this is the 1900.
The R9800 is available in different engine configurations, such as the Cummins 16V QSK60 and the MTU 12V 4000 series. An electric motor-powered version is also available. Driven by two 1,492 kilowatt 16-cylinder V engines, the Liebherr R9800 features a standard 42 cubic meter bucket capacity, enabling it to lift a material density of 1.8 tons per cubic meter. The R9800 represents the very latest proven technologies available on today's market. Liebherr Mining has continued its design philosophy with its latest hydraulic excavator. Increased efficiency, better performance, and greater speed means reduced operating costs per ton.
The attachment is a brand new design. It's much stronger. This bucket was originally a 45 cubic meter bucket, and due to this lightweight material here, which the density is 1.7 roughly, we increased the size to 47.5 cubic meter to achieve the 75 ton per pass. The target was for the customer to have 3 pass loading on a 220 ton dump truck, which we are achieving now with that 47.5 cubic meter bucket.
The R9800 offers faster loading cycles and tremendous digging and breakout force, and the 3-pass loading benchmark is achieved in just over 60 seconds.
On average, on a 24-hour day, we're moving about between 50 and 60,000 bank cubic meters.
The R9800's overall performance is based on Liebherr's robust hydraulic, drivetrain, and auxiliary systems, delivering maximum uptime. All systems are based on the latest Liebherr Litronic Plus technology. This incorporates the overall Liebherr know-how, built up after more than 50 years in the industry. The R9800 offers cutting-edge hydraulic and drivetrain technology and optimum overall machine management. To reduce operating downtime, the R9800's concept is based on ergonomic, safe, and comfortable serviceability, leading to easier access for inspection and shorter maintenance times. All fluids can be easily and quickly refilled through the service flap. With extended service intervals of up to 1,000 service measurement units, Liebherr's R9800 maximizes production hours, which again leads to reductions in cost per ton loaded.
There is 2 engines on the machine, which are Cummins QSK60. You can also have the MTU version. There is lots of room. It's very maintenance friendly. All the filters are very easy to access. The maintenance is a dream to work on this machine. Our hydraulic system holds 10,000 liters of hydraulic oil. There is 10 main pumps on the machine and 4 swing pumps, and makes it very quick. If you look at the final drive, it's gone from a dual flange mounted final drive to a single flange final drive, which makes it much easier for maintenance purposes. If you compare to the other Liebherr machines, that undercarriage is a brand new design, and the main difference between 9 and 6s, for example, is the weight of the undercarriage. Half of the weight of the machine is in the undercarriage, which makes it more stable, as you can see behind me now.
Liebherr's ultra-large hydraulic excavator uses the latest ergonomic and safety principles in order to create the best possible working environment for the operator and the service crew. The super quiet cab, with its large front windshield, allows the operator a superb view over the entire machine and its loading area, ensuring that the operator is always able to concentrate on the task at hand. In 2010, just a few months after its market debut, the R9800 won the coveted 2010 Mining Magazine Award. Its excellent design and high performance made the R9800 the best new product in surface mining equipment that was introduced in the market. The Liebherr R9800, a new dimension in mining.